Ako si Shania Yulo at ito ang aking kwentong kalikasan. My name is Shania Renee Yulo. People call me Shallow for short. I am 23 years old. I do so many things, especially anything outdoors, because I love the outdoors. I call myself a solar-powered child of the earth because I get active whenever I'm outside. I get immersed with the sun. It's more into the immersion of natural stuff, such as mountain climbing, mountain biking, and freediving. Today, I woke up early so I could climb a mountain, and first we crossed rivers, and then we hiked up, and then naghugaw-hugaw dayon, but I don't mind. It's very earthly. I feel so connected to the world. I grew up with two mountaineering parents, and then my mom usually kay within the house lang ang mga outdoor activities. Ganan ka siya na from taking care of the pets. That's why na ako I talk to animals pod. Also taking care of the flowers pod kay naman siya garden. I feel like na ko'y relationship, be it plants or animals. For my father pod kay sa ihagid mainly ang adventure sports nga part. I got that sentiment bitaw from him. Pag-introduce po niya sa ako og mountain biking, na-appreciate po na ako. Mo din to, na-realize na ko nga, okay, big pa day ang world. Dagan pa po people mga ma-meet na ako. Dagan po version sa ilahang stories in different places po. They really encourage me to go outside. See the places, bahalag magkasamad-samad ko or inana. Basta do it responsibly lang.
Nag-start me og outdoor since grade school year niya. Opposite ko pili pod, rain or shine, nasa di siyang balibad kung labi naglaag. So mong si miglaag going out, going off-roading sa bike. Kung imong children nimo, imong child, imong i-expose nimo sa outdoor, nasa like sense of responsibility. We dapat ato ning i-preserve gwapo man dai ni ang nana.
Aman ta next ani nga bukid.
Ito na lang. Kaya ginunta nga rin so. Sada gini diri ay. Problema lagi commercialize na kayo. Mga portion.
Gapas na gid tanan diri. Ga-move na mga tao diri.
Dapat na ginikon. Point nga. Di ara mo taman.
Nabe mga boundary pero dili gyapon ka dili by the book gyapon
Okay.
stick to.
Parents should encourage their children to go outdoor. Okay, once they are exposed, mag-aware po sila ba nga, dapat din nato ni gubaon, ato ni preserve. Okay, ugma damlag mowa na ni.
You get to cover so much within your activity. Like, you get to learn the landscape dito, the people dito, ilang culture pod. Like, pleasurable ka na nga feeling or kanang mag-knock ka sa trees or imong i-stomp. Nalayon mo mahulog nga dewdrops. Like, wow. Human kayo nga na feeling. In terms of being also a representative of the LGBT community within the mountaineering group or whenever I go to places pod nga sa mga communities, sometimes close-minded pa na sila. In terms of discrimination, I don't think in terms of my age group especially, kay opener man sila. Daga na pod sila. Like, they're not afraid to be themselves pod.
My name is Isabella Maligisoyat. I'm 20 years old and I am Shania's girlfriend. During sa among second date, we went to the beach. So most times kay we walk lang to our destinations and then it involves the sun, the air, and water. With Shallow, it's very different kay I get to connect with nature good. Like, I get to use my body, my legs, my lungs for breathing. Before meeting Shallow, I wasn't as active because, as a woman, it's very unsafe. But with Shalom, murag mas nagka-confidence ko kung mag-travel now that she's with me. When I'm around nature, makaingon ko nga, the world is my oyster. So murag, I can do anything.
There are houses here nga na mga streams, na mga pond, gikan na sa river. And kana nga noise bitaw nga as you can hear here oh. Wala akong gusto ma-hear constantly every day sa house. Murag inana ang dream nga setting. The dream is to have constant clean fresh water and clean air pod. So imagine this setup forever. I don't know if na forever pod ani. That's the sad part. So I'm just hiking to the forest. I'm trying to seek the freshest of air and clearest of waters. When I climb, it makes sense of the ecosystem sa mountain ba or sa rivers. And ang relationship sa people bitaw sa ilahang landscape. Especially in rural areas like mga farmers, dako kay ilang relationship sa forest. Kay gaano sila ga plant sila. Or maybe important kay sila ang river because of course the farm sila and they need water pod to sustain the plants. I call this a luxury. Like naay crickets didto, gatingog, music to my ears gyapon. Naay riverside didto ga go downstream and I know nga mainom na ko na kay fresh from the mountains pa kayo. It's a simple pleasure. And here pod, ganan kay ko maglingkod-lingkod diri kaysa magkapa kog floor. It's a simple pleasure. And another one is ang air. Di na ka mag-on ng aircon. Or mo na yung feeling ng ma-flower. Na igura ka mo stay in one place and then Mother Nature does stuff to you. Maulanan, mainitan, mahanginan. So now we are going down to approach the river. If we just walk ahead, maabot na ta in a few. Na siya'y hanging bridge around. But I love to cross yun. Ma-feel yun na ko ang water. Like it's so cold kay mountain, gikan gid siya sa mountains. I didn't see it coming good. Na I've come this far nga ga-mountaineering gapon ko and furthermore ga-mountain biking pod and dili pod ko kakahadlok na mawala kay na ko GPS. It feels empowering because I can do it solo and for some people dili kay sila makasolo kay lagi ilang concern kay wala ko'y kauban, madlo ko mawala. The GPS works even without a signal because I loaded the map already. Okay, we're going here. We'll follow the trail. I'm at the right track. How often do I go outdoors? As much as I can. I have a work with peace crops, right? And I'm called a story weaver, or in other words, to put it in simple terms, photojournalist. I want to do a storytelling and I want to share that pleasure to people, and then hopefully makalive po og mark sa lahat.
My name is Kitjan M. De Galicia. No, I am 23 years old. As a fellow story weaver in peace crops, ang presence ni Shalo is dako kay nga tabang. Because kanang different manggod ang mga perspective. Ang iya pong eye bitaw sa photography jud kay lahi ra yun siya. Kaya nga na bang ma-amaze gid ko ay hulaw gabi kay mataan niya sa pagpitik-pitik.
I would want to do this for the rest of my life, especially the documenting part. Because eventually manggod maybe kini nga mga forest here, lahi na siya og landscape mga 20 years from now. Maybe mga buildings na, skyscrapers. We'll never know. Especially kay limpyo po iyang tubig here. Like, ga-catch up ang development, but how about ang forest, kaupaw siya. Lisod na kayo mangitag clean waters. Lisod na kayo mangitag accessible nga mga forest kay mo lagi kipang cut down na pang commercialize. Lisod na kayo mangita og hilom nga places. As you can hear, kay naay mga sakyanan diri. Just across. For now, all I can do is put on appreciation and maybe open the eyes of people pod with the forest and the appreciation pod. So eventually ang conservation mo follow na siya. Moving forward to the issues that we've been having, which is deforestation. My hope for the forest is that makarecover siya in general. And I don't know how to do that good. Like it doesn't happen in a snap. It doesn't happen in a blink of an eye. It will really take time and also the right people pud. It's a good pleasure good to roam around the world or roam around Region 10 at least. Kay I realized lately nga nice kay ang features around and vast kayo. For Region 10 alone, I already feel so small. Go places, see the places in actual. Kaya lisod kayo nga magprotekta og something nga dili ta kabaluon sa gyud. As young as we are, as capable as we are pod, go outside, see the world, see the reality pod. And maybe with that reality you're having, you can do something about it, especially on the preservation of our natural environment.